Hello students, I am Poonam Verma from Suraj School Rewari. Today we learn about words of sound U. Let's start. K, A, P, cup. H, A, T, hut. S, A, N, sun. B, A, G, bug. G, A, N, gun. B, A, S, bus. N, A, T, nut. F, A, N, fun. J, A, G, jug. Thank you students. Have a nice day.